Diba siya? Birthday niya.
Dapat ganun.
Hindi, I mean birthday niya yung
Anniversary.
anniversary na.
Happy Anniv!
Happy anniversary po. Kasi wala pa po yung kabiyak niya.
Tanong mo ano masasabi niya, Diego? Ano masasabi mo?
Thank you.
Wow, tahong, tilapia, hipon, spaghetti, chocolate cake, polish, and mango cake.
Babae talaga, spoiled daw eh.
Bakit?
Wala.
Babae, si Coffee.
Okay po, happy anniversary po.
Thank you!
Ilang taon na po kayong kasal?
Lolo!
Ilang taon na po kayong kasal?
52 na, no? 52!
52 years na po. Yes, okay. Okay, kiss po, kiss po. Kiss po. Yay, okay. Thank you po. There's a surprise. Meron pong surprise. Yes. Yee! Yee!
Galing sa mga bata.
Kiss po. Kiss mo ulit. Yay!
Ba't daw sa ulo? Ba't daw sa ulo? Sabi ni Mami.
Nakita ko na ito kagabi.
One more daw. One. Go.
One, two,
Bago yan,
three.
Ma.
Bago po yan. Bago po yan.
Gobi na mo ka.
Oh, kiss mo daw. Huwag daw sa ulo. Sa,
Okay.
sa ano daw? Ito.
Sa 6 man lang.
Oh, chicks.
Go. One.
Buto na yan.
Go. Yan na. One, two, three.
Yay! Okay po. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for this day. Thank you for bringing us all together here safely. May you bless the food that's in front of us and bless everybody who prepared the food. Thank you for giving sa lola na here to celebrate the keep them healthy and bless our family. Amen.
Amen. Yay! Guys, happy anniversary,
Perfect.
Papa Lol and Mama Lai. So, 53 years
Gano'ng kalaki? Kalaki
ng marriage.
Share na ba tayo? Gusto mo
Blessing.
You want sarili?
Sarili.
Gusto naman yan eh.
Parang counseling lang, oh. Marriage counseling.
Pinag-uusapan namin dito, ubihalay.
Marriage counseling.
Hindi, kaya hindi na siya matapos
Ayan, ayan.
kumain tayo na. Kumain ka ng ube, halaya
Pero
masyado.
hindi siya matabang, di ba?
Gusto ko meron.
Hindi, itong kumiyado naman.
Hindi, kasi kumain ka ng matapos.
Ito tayo. Dito na.
Two, one, rolling.
Lai, ikaw na. I'm turning over the floor to Lalay.
What's your message to her?
Ano? Akala ko sa inyo. Patayin mo na yan.
How about you, Mom?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, kids, for
Oh,
this
what's your
evening.
message to Dad?
Oh, thank you muna ako sa inyo. We appreciate this kahit na lahat ng mga ginagawa niyo ay para sa atin pagsasama dahil kagabi iba yung celebration natin para doon sa great granddaughter great granddaughter. Thank you, Lol, for 52 sorrowful years. Yun ang sabi ko, unquote, from Bettina. 52. Nakatyaga ka ng 52, older than most of you. We appreciate that we've lasted this long despite many, many challenges in life. And I hope we sustain whatever will be sustained in the next few years because this is practically our last decade maybe on Earth. And then we appreciate that you constantly remind us, and I hope you will do the same to your own families, remembering them every year, remembering your parents, and your children remembering you as well. Okay, so thank you very much, Lol, for tolerating me, or my tolerance of you. But we've survived so many, 5 decades, 5 decades and 2 years, and hopefully another another decade, which is probably unlikely. So, but again, we thank God for bringing us together, because it is rare that families, can come together. For 52 years, I've watched you grow from this teeny bit up to what you are now, and then plus the forthcoming little girl from yesterday's contest yun di ba? Contest yun. I was siding, I knew the probability for a girl was high, but I was hoping we'll get a boy because you have too many girls in the family.
May
Again,
chance pa po. May chance pa po.
Donut.
May chance pa po.
And then I hope, sino?
May chance pa po.
May
May chance pa po.
daw, Donut and Sarah. I hope you also join the gang. And then have a celebration like yesterday.
Gender reveal na agad.
But isa namin habilin.
Dapat big event.
Ang isang event para maganda ito ginagawa natin every year. Because it's good that family come together, forgive each other for whatever past challenges we met, and then we continue to support each other. So thank you, Donut, Michelle, Punky, Sarah, and Lol, and Miss Debbie, and Jonard, adopted na, pati si Jelan, for celebrating with us. Thank you.
How about you, Lolo? What can you
Maraming
say?
salamat po.
Amen.
What can you say to Lola naman?
Ano ba sabihin ko? Lagi mo napapagalitan ito.
Live yan.
Live ba yan?
Live.
Yan, nakikita sa YouTube.
Tama na? Good na ako, good.
So, Pax, ano nga ba yung gagawin mo?
Ano mas?
Papakasal na si Queenie.
Ay! Papakasalan si ano?
Queenie.
Si Queenie?
Yung ngalaga namin.
Jonard, anong say mo? Si Jonard.
Nag-speech na. Sila.
Ba't umiyak ka?
Sila.
Ikaw? Hindi ka ba umiyak? Okay.
Bakit?
Oil lang.
Wala, nakichismis lang.